Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today we are reviewing this portable power bank. Definitely feels like it's going to be a heavy-duty unit. 100-watt power bank. Oh, wow. 28,800 mAh. That's definitely large capacity. Anything over 20 is definitely very good. Okay, my friends. I'm definitely liking the longer style power supply cable and charging cable. That's nice. Nice little manual in here. And this is it. This is the brick. I actually like this a lot. It has a display on here. Came charged 100%. You have two Type-C ports, two USB ports. Now, the nice thing about the Type-C ports is they're both in and out. That means you can charge this, you can charge the power bank with the same ports, or you can charge your phone or tablet or other device with the same port, which makes it awesome. You have a flashlight, double press. You can press and hold it for just a solid light, which is very bright. Press it again for dim, press it again even lower, press it again and bright. Press and hold to turn it off. If you double press, it's a safety. So, if you're by the road and broken down or something, emergency flashing, just press it to turn that off. Very nice. I love this carrying handle. And when you're done with it, you can just pull this, and that makes it flat. Oh my goodness. So if you want to put it around something like that, you can. Key ring, keychain, whatever. Or if you just want to carry it, no problem. That is so cool. This is probably, I'm saying this is going to be in my top 5 favorite mini power banks. This is really cool. Let's go ahead. Now we got this to charge our GoPro. While I'm out recording, I can't stand running out of battery and swapping different batteries. So this is going to allow me to charge, and here you can see 5.0 volts, 1.7 amps, 1.6 amps, and it's charging our GoPro. And then I can use this GoPro while I'm doing stuff, and then when this one dies, I just switch right over. This is really nice, my friends. And of course, if we aren't using either, we can get another Type-C cable like this one, and we can charge them at the same time. Very nice, very impressive. Good job, brand. Good job. Very unique design. Definitely in my top 5 favorite mini power station banks.